How to remove your profile picture on Facebook Lite. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you delete profile picture on Facebook Lite. Now then, to begin with, open the Facebook application and log into your account. So after you're logged into your Facebook account, what next you want to do is tap on the profile from the top left corner and then go to your profile section. So here you could just go ahead and tap on edit profile, after which you want to come to the profile picture, and there you have these profile picture, right? You could go ahead and tap on upload photo. Now there is no way you could remove it, but you could change it, such as maybe add a frame, maybe take a photo, or maybe upload a photo, or maybe select photo from Facebook itself. And what you need to do is, here on this page, you want to come to the photos tab and then go to the profile photo. So here it is. So one after the another, you have to go ahead and remove your profile picture, and this is the only way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.